Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Navya Learns Everything. Now that you have seen everything inside the kit in part 1, it's time to decorate our first page of our cozy journal using these exact pieces. So let's begin. I'm starting with this beautiful floral page as the base. This one with the soft purple and gold flowers. It already sets the mood for a gentle, calm layout. Now I'm going to tear a strip from the yellow vintage foot paper, just a small piece, to place at the bottom corner. It brings a warm tone and adds some texture. So now I will stick this piece of paper onto this corner of the page. Right next to that, I am going to use some washi tape, the one with the musical notes and the little flower pot. I am going to layer it slightly over the memo pad, like this. Now I am going to use this brown washi tape to make a rectangle around the area which is white. one sticker from the square grid sheet. I like this sticker which says enjoy your life with a smile. I'll place it right over here like this. Now I'm going to add this big card that says the wealth. I'm going to place it right over here like this with glue. It will be a bit tilted. Now I am going to use this bigger card with the beautiful flowers on it. And I'm gonna place it right over here. Now it's time for stickers. I'm going to use this small sticker with the flowers on it and paste it right over here like this. And I'm going to use this sheet of stickers and choose a color. I choose this color. And I'm going to take it out and place it right over here. And I'm going to choose the quote. Happiness is about having each tiny wish come true. And now I'm going to take another sticker to end the quote. Now finally, I'm going to use this pen and write a quote on it. I will write, this page feels like cinnamon and sunshine. going to add another small sticker like this one. I am going to add a sticker from this sheet. I chose this sticker So I'm going to take it out and place it right over here. And now I'm going to use a bit more of this washi tape. Both of them this time. I'm going to cut some portions from this washi tape and paste at the end. And that's it. One beautiful page, all made from the journaling kit. Let me know what kind of theme I should try next. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share for more journaling fun. Bye.